Hello kids, welcome back to our online class. So since we are done with our lesson for midterm, so today I will just give you your review test. Are you all ready? So here I prepared 20 questions that we need to answer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, question number 1. How many functions of money are there? Okay, A, there are 3, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 6. Okay, what do you think is the answer? Very good, the answer is letter B, 4. Okay, so there are 4 functions. Number 2, which of the following is needed to have an exchange of goods? Again, which of the following is needed to have an exchange of goods? A, double coincidence of ones. B, function of money. C, store of value. Or letter D, medium of exchange. Okay, the answer is letter A, double coincidence of ones. Okay, next number 3. Blank is a medium of exchange. A, rice. B, fish. C, mango. Or D, money. Okay, the answer is letter D. Money is a medium of exchange. So the answer is money. Number 4. It is a right aimed for the protection of consumers to purchase goods and services. Okay, we have A, right to safety. B, we have right to choose. C, we have right to be informed. Or letter D, right to be heard. Okay, from the word protection, remember, from the word protection, the answer is letter A, right to safety. Okay? So next, number 5. The first function of money is A, store of value. B, measure of value. C, deferred payment. Or D, medium of exchange. Okay, so what's the answer? The answer is letter D, medium of exchange. The first function of money is medium of exchange. Number 6. What is used as measurement unit for price? Okay, so we have here A, money. B, trade. C, wants. Or D, we have services. Okay, so again, what is used as measurement unit for price? Okay, by using money, then we will know how to measure the price, right? Okay, so number 7. Blank are the items you can see and touch. What do you call that? What do you call those things that we can see and we can touch? Advertising, goods, services, or luxury? Okay, the answer is letter B, goods. Okay, goods are the items you can see and touch. Don't forget. Number 8. It is something you should have because it is essential or important. So what is that? Okay, service, wants, needs, or D, propaganda. Okay, yes. For example, rice. We need rice, right? So that is important. Okay, so the answer here is needs, letter C. those important things like rice is our needs. Okay. Number 9. It is something you would like to have. For example, you will say, I like to have a new toy. So what's that? A, wants, B, needs, C, goods, or D, services? Okay, the answer is wants. Okay, letter A, wants. So remember, if you can see the word like is like wants, right? So the answer is wants. I like to have a new toy, or I want to have a new toy. Okay? So number 10. It is a form of communication used to encourage consumers to purchase goods and services. So what form of communication is that? That will encourage us to buy the product. Okay? Okay, so usually we can see this in YouTube or in our television. So the answer here is A, price, B, needs, C, advertising, or D, quality of goods and services. Okay, so from the word ads, okay, so the answer is advertising, letter C. Okay, advertising. So advertising is a form of communication used to encourage a consumer to purchase goods and services. Alright, so number 11. It is a feeling that a consumer has after buying a product or services. So what will you feel after buying your favorite product? You feel happy, right? Okay, so A, income, B, price, C, advertising, or D, satisfaction. So the answer is letter D, satisfaction. Number 12. Number 12, the cost paid by consumers for goods and services. Okay, so what do you call that? The cost that we pay. Okay, income, B, price, C, interest, or D, satisfaction. So the answer is price. Okay, we pay for the price, right? Number 13. OTOP or OTOP stands for blank. A, one tambon, one purchase. B, one tambon, one product. C, one team, one product. Or D, one team, one province. Okay, very good. The answer is one tambon, one product. Letter B. Number 14. Who are we helping when we buy OTOP products? Again, who are we helping when we buy OTOP products? A, community. B, business sector. C, private sector. Or D, private entrepreneurs. Okay, so the answer is letter A, community. Okay, number 15. What does sufficiency economy mean? A, use luxurious things. B, benefits for farmers. Letter C, buy everything you want. Or D, having enough money to live on. Okay, very easy. The answer is letter D, having enough money to live on. Okay, number 16. When was self-sufficiency economy introduced in Thailand? When? Okay, A, 5 years ago. B, 10 years ago. 15 years ago. Or D, more than 30 years ago? Okay, the answer is letter D, more than 30 years ago. Okay, number 17. He is the one who introduced the self-sufficiency economy to the Thai people. Okay, A, King Taksin. B, King Bhumibol. Letter C, King Naresuan. Or D, King Ramkhamhaeng. Okay, the answer is King Bhumibol. Okay, number 18. If you want to see wild animals, where will you go? A, bank. B, mall. C, zoo. Or D, barber shop. Again, if you want to see wild animals, where will you go? Okay, the answer is letter C. You will go to the zoo. Okay, number 19. Blank is a place that provides medical treatment. If we met an accident, then we need medical treatment, then you will go to A, zoo. B, bank. C, hospital. Or D, police station. Okay, very good. The answer is hospital. Okay, hospital is a place that provides medical treatment. Okay, hospital. Number 20, the last question. What do you call the money paid by the people and businesses to the government? So what is that? A, toll. B, tax. C, bill. Or D, debt. So what's the answer? Alright, the answer is letter B, tax. Okay, so tax is the money paid by the people and businesses to the government. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you learn a lot in this video. See you next time. Goodbye.